In 2025, the world of AI writing tools has reached new heights of intelligence and capability. Today, we dive into the ultimate showdown: Easy-Peasy.AI versus Copymatic. Both platforms promise smarter, faster, and more creative content generation than ever before. As creators and marketers look for reliable digital partners, the question becomes clear. Between these two leading AI writers, which one truly deserves your trust? Join us as we explore their strengths, innovations, and the features that set them apart in this year's AI writer battle. Easy-Peasy.AI is designed for users who value simplicity and speed in their content creation process. Its intuitive interface and streamlined workflows make it an ideal choice for creators, marketers, and professionals who need to generate high-quality text quickly. With a broad selection of writing templates and efficient editing tools, Easy-Peasy.AI caters to both casual writers and those producing content at scale. In contrast, Copymatic targets users who require deeper control over their writing projects. It offers a versatile set of powerful templates, enabling precise customization for various content formats, such as blog posts, product descriptions, and ad copy. Copymatic's robust features appeal to those seeking advanced options and flexibility, making it particularly suitable for agencies and businesses focused on tailored, SEO-optimized output. Both platforms address distinct needs, with Easy-Peasy.AI prioritizing ease of use and speed, while Copymatic delivers comprehensive control and versatility. Easy-Peasy.AI offers over 90 writing templates, including specialized options like an instant blog post generator and a comprehensive blog post workflow, making it highly versatile for different content needs. Its long-form editor supports custom commands, allowing users to personalize and refine their writing with greater detail. While Easy-Peasy.AI emphasizes speed and efficiency, it also provides basic SEO capabilities and integrates smoothly with platforms such as WordPress and Notion. Users benefit from flexible tone and style controls, enabling unique and tailored content creation. In contrast, Copymatic supplies a variety of templates for multiple content formats, though the exact number isn't specified. It supports long-form content generation and includes SEO optimization features, but may lack advanced customization and brand voice emulation. Copymatic integrates with major CMS platforms and offers content in various tones, yet its ability to match specific brand styles is more limited. Overall, Easy-Peasy.AI stands out for its extensive templates and customization options, while Copymatic excels in affordability and user-friendly design, but may fall short in advanced feature depth. When it comes to AI intelligence and output quality, Easy-Peasy.AI and Copymatic each bring distinct strengths to the table. Easy-Peasy.AI is known for producing cleaner, more human-like sentences, often favoring simplicity and readability. Its content tends to flow naturally, making it ideal for audiences who appreciate conversational tone and clarity. In contrast, Copymatic excels at structuring content with precision, frequently optimizing for keyword density and SEO requirements. This means Copymatic's outputs are often more formulaic, but they can be highly effective for ranking in search engines. Creativity also differs. Easy-Peasy.AI leans toward engaging original phrasing, while Copymatic prioritizes consistency and adherence to specific content formats. Ultimately, Easy-Peasy.AI is best for those seeking approachable, well-written text, whereas Copymatic is a strong choice for users who need targeted, SEO-driven material. Easy-Peasy.AI offers a range of pricing options designed to suit various user needs. Its free plan provides 3,000 words per month, 5 AI images, and access to over 80 templates, making it ideal for casual writers or those just starting out. The basic plan, at $5.99 per month or $59.88 annually, increases the word limit and unlocks GPT-4-powered chat and more templates. For users requiring unlimited content, higher tiers such as the unlimited GPT 3.5 and unlimited plans offer expanded GPT-4 word allowances and up to 170 templates, with prices reaching $28 per month or $240 per year. Copymatic, meanwhile, starts at $29 per month, focusing on a straightforward approach with a variety of content formats and an intuitive interface. While Copymatic's pricing is higher, it may appeal to professional bloggers and businesses seeking robust output and simplicity. Overall, Easy-Peasy.AI stands out for its flexible plans and feature-rich tiers, making it accessible for both casual users and content professionals, whereas Copymatic is best suited for those prioritizing ease of use and consistent quality at a higher price point. Both Easy-Peasy.AI and Copymatic bring unique strengths to the table. Easy-Peasy.AI excels in simplicity and speed, making it ideal for creators who want quick, clean content without a steep learning curve. Its wide range of templates and recent feature enhancements add to its versatility. Copymatic, meanwhile, stands out for users who prioritize control and SEO depth, offering powerful templates and more granular options for optimizing content. If you value a streamlined workflow and rapid results, Easy-Peasy.AI may be your best fit. However, if your projects demand detailed customization and robust SEO features, Copymatic could be the smarter choice. Ultimately, the right AI writer depends on your specific goals and workflow preferences. Now that we've explored the strengths and unique features of both Easy-Peasy.AI and Copymatic, it's your turn to decide which AI writer suits your needs best. Whether you prioritize speed, customization, or advanced SEO capabilities, each tool offers something distinct for content creators. To help you make an informed choice, we've included direct links to both platforms in the video description below. Try out each AI writer and experience their capabilities firsthand. Discover which one aligns with your workflow and creative style.